If you are a rice lover like me, I promise this rice recipe will bring a royal smile to your face. Can't wait to make Shahi Pulao for you. In a heated kadhai, add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Once the ghee heats, add 1/4 cup of cashews. Saute till golden brown. Let's take this out. In the same ghee, add 2 tablespoons of raisins. The raisins have turned plump. Let's take them out. Next, add half a teaspoon of Shahi Jeera or black cumin. Once the seeds crackle, add 2 bay leaves, half an inch of cinnamon stick, 8 to 10 black peppercorns, 5 cloves, 3 black cardamom, 4 green cardamom. Saute the whole spices. Next, add 1 cup of soaked basmati rice. Mix the rice with the spices. Add the fried dry fruits. Now, add 2 cups of water. Salt to taste. 10 to 12 soaked saffron strands. Mix it well. Once the water comes to a boil, close the lid. We will let this cook for 15 minutes on low flame. Time to check on the rice. The rice is cooked. Fluff the rice with a fork. Shahi Pulao is ready. Wasn't that easy? To make a quick raita to go along, I am taking 1 cup of curd. Let's whisk the curd until smooth. Next, add green coriander and mint leaves paste. Add cumin powder, red chili powder, salt to taste, and mix this. Green raita for the pulao is ready. Serve the Shahi Pulao with raita and enjoy this wholesome treat. Until we meet again, eat well, live well, and stay blessed.